Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can enable this hidden secret menu on your Samsung phones. And this is not just a gimmick guys, this is very useful hidden menu. You can do a lot of stuff with this hidden menu. For example, if I want to take a screenshot, I can just tap over here and you click here, the screenshot will be taken. And also there are a lot of features which you can do. You can rotate your phone obviously, and obviously you can control the brightness, and also you can use your phone as a computer also. Okay, if I tap over here and I can move the cursor. Also there is a feature, if you press over here, you can see you can get a joystick over here. You can control your phone with joystick, so this is amazing. And also there is one more feature which I liked, okay, which is you can zoom the home screen also. If I press over here, you can see I can zoom the icons home screen. If you can there are some fun features and there are some useful features also. Okay, and there are a lot of features. So how to enable this hidden secret menu, let me show you. Alright guys, to turn on this hidden secret menu, we have to go to settings, then scroll down until you see an option called accessibility. Tap on accessibility, then you have to tap on interaction and something like that. Tap on this, then you have to turn this on assistant menu, then tap on assistant menu. Then what you have to do is, obviously this icon looks so much ugly and looks so much bigger. Okay, so what you have to do is just tap on this show as edge icon. If you turn this on, it will move to edge, and you can select the transparency of the icon also. Okay, and also you can resize the icon. Currently you can see it looks so much bigger, but you can resize the icon. We can do extra small. Okay, if we tap over here, you will see some shortcuts, and also you can select which items you want on that menu. Okay, here you can see a lot of shortcuts like double tap option, pins to zoom, power button menu, brightness, etc. Okay, you can add all of this. Okay, and also you can move from here to here, which one you want first and which one you want the last. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, you can move. And also there are a few other settings. If you want to turn it on, you can turn it on. It's up to you guys. The basic I have told you. Okay, the basic is turn this on, it will enable this hidden menu. And also you can resize the icon, and also you can move the this button icon anywhere on the screen. And if you want to use that hidden menu, just press over here, and if you, for example, if I want to take a screenshot over here, just press on it will take a screenshot. And a lot of other things you can do with this hidden menu. Okay, there are a lot of features. This is how you can enable the hidden menu on Samsung phones. So if you have any questions, just comment below, I will reply you. And if you use a Samsung phone, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye, take care.